Alpha measures how an investment performs compared to a relevant market index over a specific time frame. For example, the alpha of a stock compared to the Dow Jones Industrial Average would express how much more the stock grew or fell compared to the Dow Jones overall. This metric is expressed as a percentage. An alpha of 0 means that the investment performed as well as the market. An alpha of 1 means the investment outperformed the comparison market by 1%. An alpha of -1 means that the investment underperformed the comparison market by 1%. As you can tell, alpha is not expressed as a percentage. It is often a whole number with the decimal dropped. Alpha shows how an investment performs compared to a market-indexed fund. Therefore, investors often use it to examine a stock or a mutual fund's ability to beat the market. A fund with a high alpha performs significantly better than the market overall, indicating that it might be a sound investment. When considering a fund, portfolio, or other managed financial product, consider the product's fee against its alpha rating. Most financial products charge a management fee. It's typically a certain percentage of that portfolio's value. For example, a mutual fund might charge you 1% of its annual value in fees. Those fees pay the salaries and overhead associated with running a mutual fund. Many investors consider their profit on any given product will be profit equals alpha minus fees.